Hello there guys, this is Godspeed back again with another informative video for you guys regarding the Tata Nexon. So today we are going to talk about the Tata Motors Z Connect app which we have here. There's two apps. Firstly we are going to talk about the Z Connect app. In this app we are going to talk about how it works, how the features work and etc. So firstly this is going to show you the discharge in 248 kilometers and the percentage of your car. So we have to open it. I have Face ID, so it is going to open through that. Firstly, what we have here is it is going to show you the car's location. It shows over here. Here it is showing the address, and above there's the percentage of the car. Secondly, this is going to show you the charging stations and the service stations which are nearby, and here we have our car and we'll be having those charging stations and the service stations nearby. This is going to show you the customer care number. You can call at that number for any help, and this is going to show you the notifications which we don't have any at the moment. So this is the car. We can press this to unlock the car, and again we can lock this car through this button. That is as simple as that. Here we have the AC buttons. We can pre-cool the cabin 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes and 30 minutes. We'll close this now. Now we have the light settings. We can turn on the headlights, the DRLs or the hazard lights from the phone itself. Secondly, we have the horn settings. We just have to press the 4-digit pin which we have set, and the car is going to start honking. It is really helpful when you've lost the car in a wide parking lot or something like that. And now we have the geofencing settings. Here you can set a region where you want your car to be in. If the car goes out of the region, you're going to get a notification and you can set accordingly. This is the leaving set area, this is the entering set area. This is the radius where you want your car to be, and you can save the setting from here. So we'll cancel. And this is the valet mode. You can turn this on and the car is going to notify you if there's something wrong happening with the car, or if it's being driven or if it's being parked or anything. You're going to get all the information regarding it. Now what we have here is the controls. So so this was the controls. I mean, these are the controls which were in this category. Now we have the trip history and set a trip. So we can set up trips from here. If you want to go some places or anything, you can set up a trip from here so that you can find your charging stations on your way, and it is going to help you a lot for that. Now we are going to go to the next setting, that is health. So we can diagnose the car from the phone itself. So we are going to press this. This is the mobile diagnostics going on. So this is going to show you the health condition of the car. So this is the diagnostic report which you guys can see. Everything is all right at the moment. Service is due in 6,865 kilometers or 29 days, as you guys can see over here. So we are just going to close this and we are going to go to the next setting. So here what we have is there's your car, there's your name over there, there's this weather settings and the normal settings. So you can access your driving behavior. So this is the score which they provide: your accelerating score, braking score, it's 10 on 10, acceleration score is 8 on 10, and the total driving score is 9 out of 10. So the total driving time which I have in the last week is 9 hours. Top speed is 121.16 kilometers. Average speed is mostly 35 kilometers. That is it. And we have emergency contacts here, app tour and time fencing. So you can set up a time, and if someone takes out the car within that time, you're not going to get any notification. But if the car is being taken out at some other time which has not been set from your app, then you're going to get a notification regarding it. And you can do the other settings from there as well. Now we have lastly is the SOS button. So if we hold this button for 3 seconds, so an SOS alert goes to the Tata Motors, and they will contact you for any emergencies, or if you need any help they are going to contact you. So that was it about this Tata Z Connect app, and now we are going to get back and we are going to talk about the Connect next. So this app is basically, if you want to change the FM or AC, you can connect from this app to the car and use this. This is a very basic app. So we actually need to have this phone connected to the car at the moment, so that we can do this. You can change the music, ambient lighting, and climate control and audio settings. So that was about it. And you can also watch videos. If you have an Android phone, you can connect the phone via a USB jack to your car and you can stream videos. So that was it about these apps. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye, and